This Troy Bilt lawnmower today. I left out in the rain and now won't start. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, it's not giving any gas. It's not starting. I don't think the carburetor's clean. So take this off, drain the gas, take the carburetor off and clean it, and go from there. So first I'm taking off this starter setup here. There's 3 bolts on it, 8mm. Then that just lifts off. You can put it to the side. So you get that out of the way. You got a nice area to work in. I want to clean your mower off if it's dirty, but you got an 8mm here and here that holds this to the bracket. So take out these 2 8mm, hold to this bracket, starting to move. Then you got 7 or a 9/32 here. Take them out. Then this will come off. Okay, so that comes off. Gotta wiggle it off the vent pipe there. It's pretty clean. Okay, next, take off this clamp. Slide that out of the way. Then your tank line will come off, or you can just lift your tank up like that. I just went ahead and took the tank off. It just slides up off of these here, and then you squeeze that clamp with some pliers or vice grips. So I'm going to dump this out and clean it. Then I'll be taking the carburetor off. Alright, so here's your carburetor. It comes off here. You kind of go down and then bend it that way. Then this linkage will come loose, that goes in the back. And this one, which is on the front part of the carburetor, that'll come out. And we got 2 rings here, gaskets. Then you got 2 7mm or 9/32 screws underneath that. Take those out, the bowl will come off. Then we'll take a look inside. Well, I kind of messed up. I didn't show how to clean the carburetor, but you take those screws out. There's screws out of the bowl. Take the bowl off. Dump the bowl out. Make sure the float's working, moving up and down. Clean it with some brake cleaner if you have that, or carburetor cleaner, which is preferred. Then clean the bowl, clean everything. Make sure it all moves. Make sure there's no trash in there or water or residue. Then put it back together, and it'll be good to go. Put some gas in there, make sure your filter's clean, go from there. Alright, so you put the carburetor back on, put the tank on, put the covers on, put the filter on, put this top back on, put some gas in there, and you go to start it.